5 research-based tips for reaching your unrealistic dreams. Everything is going great until you hear a little but a powerful word. Unrealistic. Whether it's coming from a manager or a best friend, the word stings. It stings even more when you begin to convince yourself that your dreams are unrealistic. Before you get to that point, read these 5 tips to shift your mindset from "I don't think I can do this" to "Heck yeah, I'm going to do it." 1. It starts with you. No matter how many people tell you it's unrealistic, the worst thing that can possibly happen is you begin to believe it. As soon as you believe it's unrealistic, your confidence levels plummet, your motivation drains, and you're not excited about something that used to fuel you. Don't let your mind believe it's unrealistic, and don't take no for an answer. 2. Picture your dreams. Motivational speakers are always telling you to picture your dreams, from the most significant goals, like becoming a CEO one day, to the tiny details, like what you'll wear on your first day of work. You are 42% more likely to reach your goals if you write them down. Start with a vision and write down every tiny detail that plays a role in that vision. 3. Stop with the negativity. Negativity is toxic. It's terrible for your body, your mind, and your soul. When you're working towards something big, don't let negativity seep in. That means you shouldn't talk to a friend who brings you down, and you shouldn't talk to anyone who may say you're being unrealistic about your dreams. 4. Look ahead. Studies show that the biggest regret that people have when they're on their deathbed is this: I wish I dared to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me. When you think about your dreams, frame it this way. What would you regret on your deathbed? Not dreaming enough or dreaming too much? Trick question. There's no such thing as too much. 5. Focus on doing. Not every day is going to feel life-changing. Some days will pass that feel like you're not doing anything at all. But the important thing is to keep going. When you're getting rejected, keep going. When you seem to have no proof of your hard work, keep going. Eventually, all those days that you kept going and doing will pay off in big ways.